U has three sounds. The second sound is a twin sound. U, oo. U, oo. Fun. Hug. None. The first part of the second sound is oo. Oo. Sue. E is silent. B, Ruby. You know here why we use Y for E sound? Because English words do not end with I. Blue. Here again E is silent. The second part of the second sound is U. This was oo. This is U. Cute. E is silent. Tube. E silent. Cube. E silent. The third sound is oo. Full. Bull. Pull.